Now, the most high-profile corporate partnership in the AI world has exploded into an absolute war. And the center of this is an all-out allegation of systematic, calculated corporate espionage right in the middle of Silicon Valley. Now, of course, if stories like these keep you excited and, of course, keep you ahead of the curve, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. We thank you so much for your support. Now, on Friday, the 10th of July 2026, Apple filed a monumental 41-page federal complaint against OpenAI in San Jose, California. The core accusation of it, Apple claims the ChatGPT creator orchestrated a ruthless company-wide campaign to steal its highly proprietary product designs, manufacturing secrets, and confidential supply chain blueprints. The stakes here are astronomical. OpenAI is currently sitting on a staggering $852 billion private valuation. But this legal grenade, if you will, threatens to completely derail their highly anticipated plans for a blockbuster initial public offering. The defining objective of this litigation is freezing OpenAI's consumer device pipeline before it can compete with the iPhone, which clearly actually marks a staggering breakdown in relations. Now, just 2 years ago, let me jog your memory, these two giants were proudly shaking hands to embed ChatGPT directly into Apple Intelligence and Siri. But behind the closed doors, the story is a lot different. Tensions boiled over earlier this year when OpenAI reportedly explored its own legal threats, alleging Apple breached terms by failing to adequately promote their chatbot integration. Now, Apple is demanding unspecified financial damages and an ironclad injunction to completely block OpenAI from utilizing any of its technology. Apple's legal team is systematically targeting OpenAI's specialized hardware infrastructure. The named corporate defendants include the OpenAI Foundation, OpenAI Group, and IO Products, which is the elite hardware studio co-founded by former Apple design icon Johnny Ive. OpenAI acquired this for a whopping $6.5 billion in 2025. Now, the primary orchestrator named in the suit is Tang Yo Tan, OpenAI's current chief hardware officer. Tan has been respected as an absolute titan of product engineering. He spent 24 years at Apple, operating at the highest levels as the vice president of product design for both the iPhone and the Apple Watch. Now, this was before leaving to build OpenAI's hardware arm. Now, the complaint also names Chang Liu, a former senior system electrical engineer at Apple. Now, Apple claims this goes far beyond standard Silicon Valley poaching, even though they note that over 400 former Apple employees have been systematically sucked into OpenAI's workforce. Now, Apple asserts that OpenAI normalizes a culture of data theft, intentionally weaponizing these ex-employees to strip Apple of its hard-earned hardware innovations to shortcut their own manufacturing timelines. And the specific details outlined in the 41-page filing read actually like the script of a thriller. First, Apple alleges that Chief Hardware Officer Tang Yu Tan ran highly unorthodox show-and-tell job interviews. While interviewing prospective candidates who still worked at Apple, Tan allegedly used top-secret internal Apple code names to extract roadmap details. Now, more shockingly, the suit claims Tan instructed interviewing Apple engineers to physically sneak components, including proprietary circuit boards, specialized batteries, and prototype parts. Now, this was done straight out of Apple HQ to show off during their interviews. Second, the electronic evidence against engineer Chang Liu is incredibly damaging. Apple alleges Liu refused to return his company-issued MacBook upon resigning. He then allegedly exploited a rare, unpatched authentication vulnerability to breach Apple's internal network storage after his termination. What did he do? He downloaded dozens of highly confidential hardware schematics. Now, in a text message which has been captured in the filings, Liu has allegedly laughed to another employee, and I quote, this was the text, "LOL, I found out I can access the network storage." So funny, end quote. Now, furthermore, the suit alleges OpenAI targeted Apple's supply chain. In one bizarre incident, OpenAI staff allegedly manipulated a key Apple manufacturing partner into executing a highly guarded, and I quote again, secret metal finishing technique, thereby deceiving the supplier into believing Apple had explicitly authorized OpenAI to use the custom process. Wow. Here, of course, is the front page take. Now, Apple is establishing that OpenAI's hardware dreams are built on completely stolen architecture. Now, by calling their hardware operation rotten to its core, Apple is preparing the legal groundwork to demand a sweeping injunction that could completely kill Sam Altman's dream of launching a physical AI consumer device. Apple has warned OpenAI about this back in February, and after being completely ignored, they have pulled the absolute nuclear trigger. The question here I would like to ask all of you watching is this: can OpenAI's massive $852 billion valuation survive the legal discovery phase if their internal records confirm they knowingly utilize stolen Apple schematics? Or, for that matter, will this halt their IPO momentum for a longer run? And of course, I have another one for you. Do you feel that this could also go down the criminal investigation road? Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AI Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.